So this is a test on the JLab TalkGo USB microphone. I purchased this microphone off of Amazon for $40. So this is a budget microphone. What do you guys think about the sound quality? Right now I am in the corduroy pattern, which is blue. So you guys can see right there on the screen there. I am on Audacity. Audacity is a audio editing software, so check that out. How's the sound quality in the corduroy pattern? Is it good? Is it terrible? Let me know. Y'all guys can probably hear my fan in the background, which sorry about that, but y'all guys want background noise. It is what it is, guys. If you guys don't have background noise, y'all guys will get clearer sound. So yeah. So the JLab TalkGo has a volume switch on the bottom of it. Y'all can see my volume is going up. So if I turn up loud, y'all guys can hear my fan even louder. So if I turn it down a little bit, y'all guys cannot hear my fan as much. So I will be showing you guys the quick mute function, which is right. So hang on. So that was the quick mute function, which is red, so y'all guys will not get nothing during the quick mute. So if you guys press and hold on it, it will go to the Omni, which is supposed to pick up 360 degrees of sound around the microphone. So you guys have background noise will pick it up as well. So picking up my fan in the background, but I tap on the tripod's picking that up, tap on the laptop's picking that. If I were to take a sip of my brain carrier, it's picking that up too. So yeah. Let's go back to corduroy. Corduroy is supposed to pick up sound in front of you, so this would be great for like streaming, gaming, podcasts, if you're doing a podcast by yourself or whatever. The omnidirection would be great for like if you're doing a group podcast, interviews, stuff like that. And the JLab TalkGo has two directional patterns, corduroy and omni. So not bad for $40. I think it's worth it, you know. So if you guys enjoyed this sound quality, let me know. Is it good? Is it terrible? Let me know. Y'all guys can probably hear my fan, which like I said, sorry about that. So let me go ahead and stop this sample here. So if you guys enjoyed the sound quality on the JLab TalkGo USB microphone, please let me know in the comments below. Is it good? Is it bad? Let me know. I would greatly appreciate any feedback. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.